No,
You'd think we'd be professionals by
I didn't
now.
get the questions ahead of time, so I'm just now processing.
Right, thanks.
Hi, we're Phil and Stacy from You, Me, and the RV, and we're here at the NRVTA, and I am learning a couple of things. One, how to better repair and fix and troubleshoot my own rig, and I hope to, one day, as a side gig, jump into the RV inspection side of the house.
Now, even if you're not taking the course, I am not taking the course. This is one thing I told Phil he's doing on his own. Everybody here is very welcoming. So, you know, if you're coming with your spouse, your partner, whoever, everyone is going to welcome you here, whether you're sitting in the class or you're walking around hanging out in the evenings with everyone.
Yeah, the training, the atmosphere, the staff, everybody is top-notch. I mean, they welcome you in, they make you feel comfortable, and the curriculum that they're giving you is on a level that you can understand. And the best part is you have equipment that you can put hands on and play with, and that helps me retain the information a lot easier.
Of course, don't let Phil fool you. His favorite part of this whole thing is the snack room.
Well, the kitchen is phenomenal, and if you do come here, leave your money in your rig because you don't need it when you're buying the snacks, which can get you in trouble at the end.